Hey there everyone, welcome back in Django to-do app video tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we are going to create the new application module or app inside our Django project, and we will create a database. So in this video tutorials we are not going to discuss the very basics things related Python or Django. For these knowledge, or you can set, we will create another tutorial series. So let's start. Open your VS Code, go to terminal, and here check you can access this virtual environment. Actually I activate before, that's why it's coming here. Now I'm going to deactivate and I will start from beginning. I deactivate. Okay, first go to your terminal and here check. Again it's coming. I think it's open with another my project, that's why. Okay, first you have to check your ls and you can access this virtual environment folder. If you access, then okay, otherwise you have to change your directory. Then activate your virtual environment. For Windows, just type vnv \, then go to your scripts folder and activate. For Mac and Linux user, source vnv / your bin folder, then activate, and your virtual environment will be activated. I'm going to make it clear. Okay, first I'm going to create a app. So by using the help of our Django project, which we created before in our previous video tutorials, then Python manage.py, and this manage.py is generated with our project, with Django project. Python manage.py, and start app. Before we enter here start project for generating our Django project and manage.py file, and then our app name. Now I'm giving app name is to do. You can see here the to do application is generated, and we have here initialize and migration file and admin apps, model test and view. As I told you before, in this video tutorial series we're not going to discuss the basic, what is init, what is the purpose or the usage of init. This thing we will discuss in another video tutorial series. So just go to models. Here I'm creating my model, or you can set a database, and the same database we can use in our Postgres and so on. But in this video tutorial we'll use SQLite database. Class, then model name to do, and models dot model. Okay, let me explain what is model. This model, which is by default import by with the models.py, which we generated the application here under models. Now I'm giving a name. It's a field name here, models dot jar field, and all this instruction is here. If you installed Python in your system, and you can see the primary key, max length, unique, blank. We use blank to null true, db index, and default value. If we pass here any default value, so on, a lot of information is here. So in this time I'm just typing here max length 254, and two more field I will create. like created at models dot datetime field, and here the all of information. I type here auto add now. I think auto now add this one. True. Copy paste, and I will explain all this one. Okay, what's happening here? In these two fields, first I type here created at, means whenever a database row is added, then this created at field automatically generate the current time and date only one time. And whenever the this field or this you can say it, row or data is update, that time auto now field generated that current time, date and time, and save in this updated add field. Means we don't have to do anything, automatically this field will be generate the date and time and save. Okay, save. Now next step, we have to make migration, and make migrate means to migrate this our model, database model, inside our SQLite. So here simply go and type my python manage.py make migrations, hit enter. No such file or directory, spelling mistake, sorry, manage.py. It's showing no any changes detected. Okay, make migrations. If I type here the application name to do, no installed, my bad. We have to index this application under our projects. So go to your project and open settings. Inside setting, go to installed apps, and here just pass the name of this to do. But in actual, when we'll start the big projects, we have to access these apps and pass the to do configuration. Upcoming projects I will show you how to add. Now this time I'm typing here to do, which is our app name. Now I'm going to save this settings.py, and if I run here again, make migrations, even without our app name it will make migrate, and generate create model to do, which we type here, create here to do. Next step, we have to migrate this table. You can see here not only to do model, which is even in last, there is a lot of models. This Django make migrate, and it's by default, like for users, emails, and a lot of validation, error message, proxies, a lot of things. This is we will discuss later. So next step, I'm going to first run manage.py run server. Okay, and next step, we have to show this information in front end, means fetch data and pull data, you can say. Just go to your views.py, and here type from current models import to do. What we type here, because currently we are in same directory where our model is available, that's why I type here from models, means this models, import to do, which is here, the to do. And here we'll get our information or our data and show to in front end, and even we create or save and update and delete all in this kind of operation we will done here in our views.py. And here is also forms.py we have to create. Okay, I'm going to create here forms.py. In this forms.py, first of all we have to create a forms. There's two type of forms. One is form means normal form. One is forms dot model form, which is high level, you can set. uh, and this model will access again from here, and we'll create a form, and this form will pass here in our views.py. And under this views.py we create some templates and attach. At that time we can access all our the project or the view in our front end browser. So that's all this tutorial. See you next one.